Hi, I'm Thomas from Festfloor. In today's video, I'll tell you about the Festfloor Life Microcement mineral base. What versions are there? How to mix them? How to embed the mesh in it? All that in today's video. Let's get started. Festfloor Base is a primer for microcement. It's a two-component product. We have a liquid polymer and a dry mix here, and you simply need to mix this liquid polymer with the dry mix. You can adjust the consistency by adding more or less of the polymer as you need. Besides that, Fest liquid is used for bonding fiberglass mesh, which I show in another video, so do check that out. So you have the option of bonding the mesh directly onto Fest liquid, or, after preparing the mix, covering the mesh previously laid out on the floor. We have two pack sizes, 15 kilograms of dry mix and 5 kilograms of liquid. Or a second, smaller version, 9 kilograms of dry mix and 3 kilograms of liquid. The Life Microcement base has two versions, L and XL. L has an aggregate thickness of about 0.5 millimeters. XL, on the other hand, is about 0.8, and depending on your project and purpose, you can use these two versions for your application. Very often, for example when applying over tiles, it's good to use XL 0.8 millimeter base for the first coat to cover the grout lines and tile texture, and only then a second coat of 0.5 millimeter. Conversely, for typical applications on anhydrite or cement screeds, you can simply apply 2 coats of L base and then, after sanding, apply subsequent coats of microcement. This base is compatible with our other products, Go, Hydrofest and Titan. Depending on your project and purpose, you can use this product under all our microcements. Thanks for watching today's video. That was our Life base, which you can use for many different projects. In another video on our channel, we show how to apply the base with mesh on a large area and prepare the substrate for subsequent microcement coats. And if anything in this video was unclear, remember the comments section is there for you. Thanks again, and see you in the next ones. Bye!